All right, so we have a temperature controlled thermostat. This is for, we're going to use this in a brooder here. This will click into right here. This right here is your temperature probe, and it will control this heating element here. Here's our incoming power, and here's the wiring schematic. So you have your input voltage here coming in, and then it'll also go out to your load and then come back on your S2, and then your neutral wire will be split right here. So we'll get it wired up. All right, first thing we want to make sure we do is that it's unplugged, which is somewhere back there. There it is, by that drill. Then we take it and we twist these together, and we're going to put the wire nut on it. All right, so our neutral and ground get tied together here, as shown on the print. That's your grounding and your neutral. Then that comes over to your S1, which is your switch one, which is right here on the print. And then your hot, which is your incoming voltage, comes in here and is wired together, comes over, goes to the load, and then comes back in to S2. So that's how you wire it. All right, per this right here, P3, which is program 3, is our minimum low temperature. So we hit set and increase. Whoops, too fast. If I remember right, it was 33.5, puts us right around 90 to 92 degrees. Okay, set. All right, so for our adjustment over here, P0 is the heating and cooling function, which you have to press and hold the start. That'll take you into there, and you can switch it from cold to hot. Apparently factory settings is it starts off cold. And then you can go through your different ones. Whoops. Each time you hit that set, it'll go through your different settings. P4 is your dead band, and that'll give you, basically this will be plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. And then P3 is your switch for when this will turn off. So we're going to try to get it up. I'm just holding it in my hand, trying to get it up to temp to 33.5 degrees Celsius. And she turned off. Now I'll open up my hand, see if it gets down to temp. There we go. It does have a minimum of 2 degrees Celsius that I've seen on here now. Right there. So that'll change in that aspect. But the 30 degrees, I believe, is right around 90 degrees Celsius, or 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's how we wire that up for our brooder.